Good morning. Hope you guys are doing amazing. I am on a work trip, which is super exciting. It's my first one ever when it comes to like work. So this is really exciting. They paid for my flight out here, all my accommodations. It's been very nice. It's not a super exciting networking, get dressed up type of business trip. We're going to the manufacturing plant and we're gonna learn all the ins and outs of the company type of business trip, which is fine. They put us up in this Fairfield, which I think is just a Marriott hotel. Very standard, but it's super nice. Marriott I've stayed in my whole life, travel for sports and stuff, and they always do a good job of making sure you feel welcome. So very glad that I'm in a space where I feel comfortable. I just got some of their free breakfast, very typical hotel breakfast, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. And then I made myself a little coffee. We're out in Austinburg, Ohio, which I didn't know exactly where that was, but it's basically near the Cleveland area, about an hour away from Cleveland. So we're in that zone. But anyways, I was just gonna show you guys some of the things that I do to get ready in the morning, especially when I travel. It's a lot more simple than when I'm at home and I have all my things with me that I can do, like my skincare, my makeup. When I'm traveling, especially for work, I don't really want to have too many options. I want things to be simple so I can be relaxed and focus more on why I'm here rather than getting ready and all those other things. But to start off this video, it is so nicely sponsored by MSBLUE, which is a stunning jewelry company. They specialize in Moissanite engagement type of rings, and I'll show you the ones they sent me. Guys, even though these are engagement rings, they are so beautiful. I have literally been wearing them every day because they're just that stunning. Let me pull up the names so I can tell you guys exactly what they are called. So this first one I have is, they're both stunning, but just slightly different. If you're more of a diamond girl or a pearl girl. Usually be a diamond girl, but I'm starting to get into pearls lately, and this one is just so good. This one is the 8mm freshwater cultured pearl twist shank ring with moissanite pave. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Stunning that is. The band has this beautiful twist at the top lined with diamonds. And then this pearl is gorgeous and it's really big. So I got these in a size 5, which generally fits on my left hand fingers. So this were an engagement ring. It would look like this. And just look how delicate and dainty that looks. But it's big enough to where if you were getting engaged, that would just be gorge. Like, genuinely, I'm so obsessed with this one. And I have links in my bio, not my bio, I have links in the description. You guys already know. If you want to look at this, it's there. But I spent hours going through their website because they have so many gorgeous options. It was so hard to just pick a couple because they have literally the widest selection ever, but all of them are so stunning. So I have that one, and then the next one I have is this emerald cut moissanite engagement ring with hidden halo. This one I could see myself wearing as an engagement ring. This one is just so classy. Oh, the light's shining, but look how shiny it is. I love the emerald shape, it's so good. And then if I were to wear this one on my engagement finger, it would look like this. That looks like I got engaged, doesn't it? I'm not engaged if you guys are wondering, but look how gorgeous that is. And I love that it sits up a little bit higher. Just genuinely such a beautiful ring. And I really wanted to work with this company when they reached out because I really like what they stand for. It's such, what's the phrase? The saying when brides get married, it's something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. And that's where they got Miss Blue, at least the blue side of it. Just like to represent like love and purity and all those things, timelessness, and then Miss obviously for the soon-to-be Mrs., but they described it as an empowering title used to honor remarkable and accomplished women across the world. That is so beautiful. Like you take such a simple concept, but you give such meaning to it, and I feel like that's kind of what getting engaged and getting married is. It's like, it's very simple when you think about it, but it has such depth and meaning to it. I really liked that. Their passion passionate about crafting exquisite jewelry that embodies love, tradition, and sustainability. And their brand takes its name, like I said, from the cherished rhyme. Together, they embody the essence of resilience, grace, and unwavering commitment, serving as a profound inspiration for their brand and their meticulously crafted jewelry designs. And I just thought that was beautiful. So thank you, Miss Blue. If you guys are interested in just really beautiful fine jewelry, or if you're getting engaged soon and you want to give somebody a little wink, hint about what you want, I would definitely check out their site. If you get them when they have like a sale or something, they're pretty affordable for the quality that you're getting. But if you did want an extra discount, I do have a discount code. So my code, I'll put it on the screen here, is Beatrice15, and that gets you 15% off. If you're interested, definitely check them out. I highly recommend them. I have been wearing specifically this one every day, and I also sometimes wear it when I have to go out and about by myself and I don't really want to talk to anybody, or I don't want anybody to come up and talk to me. I wear it on my engagement finger, so that's an extra way for them to be like, oh, she's off the market or something. I don't know if it actually works. It works in my brain, so I do that. But it's just so, both of them are so stunning. Could not be happier. To tie that into my slow travel morning routine, here's for 2 instances. One, if I was married and had a stunning ring, for travel days, I would get something that was more affordable, that looked identical to my actual engagement ring. So when I travel, if God forbid something happens where I lose my ring, I get robbed, something like that, I'm not losing my however many $1,000 ring that my future fiance got me. These are so gorgeous, but if they're only a couple $100, you're saving yourself from losing thousands basically. So one, I love them for that reason, but then two, because I'm not engaged, I just love jewelry, and these are so stunning. So I love them for that reason, and that's why they're part of my slow travel morning routine, because I love looking nice, having nice things, feeling very luxurious. But when you're traveling and you don't necessarily know what's going on, granted, I am in Ohio and people in Ohio are very nice, so I don't imagine anything will happen to me here. But if I was traveling overseas in a place that I just didn't really know anybody, or I didn't speak the language, didn't know all the cultural customs, all those things, I would wear something like this, and it would just be part of my travel routine where I can still have my luxurious feel and wear really nice jewelry, but not be so worried if it gets lost or stolen or anything like that. So that's why I really like these. I literally could stare at these all day. Besides my stunning jewelry and getting something that's high quality, but not something that is gonna break the bank for travel, I also love just having a more simplified morning routine. I traveled with just a carry-on suitcase. If you guys haven't seen the video of me packing both my carry-on suitcase and my work travel bag, you should go check out those videos. I'll have them up somewhere. But typically when I travel, I try not to pack my whole skincare routine, my whole makeup routine, because especially in this new suitcase that I got, I don't have room. So I have to really pare it down to the things that just make sense and are essentials. So usually I use this Vaseline. I think it's like cocoa butter Vaseline. This has been the best thing for my skin. I have the large tub size that you press down at home, and I use it for my whole body. So I know that it's gonna be really good quality moisturizing for my skin, especially when you travel and you're flying. Your skin gets super dried out, especially in the air. And then Ohio weather, it's really cold out right now. So I've been using lotion consistently throughout this whole trip just to make sure that my skin stays moisturized, stays healthy, stays glowing. So I brought a travel size one, and I've been using that as both my face moisturizer and body moisturizer. I usually I've been gone for, I think my total trip days is 8 days, so just a little over a week. So I have the travel size Vaseline, and that kind of just takes up my whole trip. I'll use the entire thing for the trip, washing my body, lotioning my face, whatever. I really love it. It's just light enough, but moisturizing enough for whatever my skin type is. It's been really good. And then I'll also be sure to bring an eye cream because my eyes need a little bit of extra love. I always look a little bit tired, so I like to have an eye cream with me as well. So those are like 2, and a face wash. Those are like 3 essentials when it comes, I have 4 essentials. Those are my 3 main essentials when it comes to morning routines. Nighttime, I do bring a retinol with me. That's so fantastic, but that'll be for another video when I'm doing my nighttime routine. But morning, oh, I don't even use my face wash in the morning. I learned that you're supposed to wash your face at night, and then in the morning you just rinse your face with water, because if you're washing your face at night, washing it in the morning, it's stripping away too many natural oils. So when you wash it at night, you're washing your makeup off, you're washing the day off, the dirt, all that stuff. And when you go to sleep and you wake up, you have like natural oils on your face, and you're just supposed to use water to cleanse yourself and get some of the excess oils off. So I don't even use my face wash in the morning. I'm just using the lotion and the eye cream. And then simple makeup, as you can see. I don't like to, well, at least for this work trip, I don't necessarily need to be super dolled up. I'm walking around in a factory most of the days. I'm not trying to impress anybody, but I do like to have a nice base. So simple makeup routine. I have a slip tint, like a light skin, what's it called? CC cream, like that type of lightweight moisture. I don't know why the term of what it is escaping my brain, but it's the Say slip tint. Great for light coverage. I believe there's sunscreen in there, but I love just having a nice base. I do a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of blush, mascara, get my brows in place, locked and loaded. And I feel like that's just such a good base that if I wanted to be a little bit more dressed up, this would still go really well. If I wanted to be super casual, it would still go really well. Just having a solid makeup routine that's versatile for different things, especially when you're on a work trip and you don't necessarily know if you're going out to work dinners or if any events are coming up or if it's just gonna be casual. I like to have just enough to where I can have the options to dress up or dress down. For this trip, I was pretty sure we weren't gonna do anything super nice, so I think I only packed one nice outfit, just in case. You never know, especially me, Miss Overpacker, and you just never know. So I made sure to pack one nice outfit, but I feel like I would be fine having my makeup and hair like this if I went out to something nicer. Maybe not the headband, but you get the idea. I love having very simple staples and just having a routine down that is gonna be good for you no matter what. Anyways, and then, like I was talking about before, having some very classic jewelry pieces just finishes off the morning routine. You feel very put together, you feel very luxurious, even if you're not breaking the bank. And I, again, want to say thank you to MSBLUE for these stunning jewelry pieces that really just complete my travel morning routine and just feeling very luxurious, even if I'm in a place that I do love, but it's a little more demure, like Ohio. Thank you, MSBLUE, for sponsoring this video and for these stunning rings. You guys should definitely go check them out. Again, here's the code on the screen if you guys are interested in getting 15% off. Honestly, I'm pretty sure they have a sale going on right now. So go check them out. Get some stunning statement jewelry pieces that you can wear whenever you travel or every day like me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.